Girl, I ain't like that. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey girl, hey. It's a new day. And if you're your first time joining me, my name is Cita. And if you coming back, girl, yes. So what we doing today? We are cleaning. So first, well, I don't think it's gonna be the first order of business, but I gotta show you one of the things we got to do today. Today's agenda is this sink. That's what it's been doing. And I put that there just to see how much water it's been doing. And it's been about 5, maybe 6 hours, and it's filled that entire bucket up. So that's on the agenda today. I'm about to actually use this water, and then I guess we'll get started. Hey girl, hey, it's later in the day. Not by much, but it is. Got so much done, like I'm starting to get tired. So I made myself another cup of tea. I'm going to eat this tuna that I picked up from Whole Foods the other day. It's got cranberry apple. It's a cranberry apple tuna salad. I'm going to eat that. You know, I forgot to grab is my crackers. So I don't know what we about to do, girl, but we about to eat this. And yeah, I got so much done. I'm trying not to. I'm starting to get sleepy. Getting tired. I'm starting to slow down. As you can tell, I got cold. I was moving when I first got on. Like, I was hot, so I didn't have all the stuff on. But then we started progressing. I was like, ooh, it's actually trying to get kind of chilly in the house. So I put my shirt on. Then now we have the sweater. So I'm going to sit and eat. We'll see once I eat something. Then, of course, my energy and all that other stuff will go back up. Same with the body temp. But so far we got done. Both bathrooms are done. The bathroom in the basement's done. The bathroom, the main bathroom, I need to mop the floor and clean the mirror. Both the boys' linen is washed. One is in the dryer right now. The other one's done. I'm washing my clothes. Once that's done, I'm washing their clothes. Then I'm going to do the towels today, and I want to do my linen. We'll see, because I said their clothes, towels, and my linen. We can get that done today. It's only 12:30, so we can get that done today. We've been up and cleaning since 9 this morning. So it's a well-needed break because, like I said, I only had a cup of tea and some water and a coconut water. I haven't had too much of nothing else. But yes, I'm going to sit and take a break. And then I need to charge my phone up. And then I guess we'll take it from there. Because I'm trying to figure out what else that's left to do. The kitchen, we got to do that washer. So that washer's got to be done first before I wash anything. So the dishes may or may not get clean today. We'll see. We'll see. Because you just drip, 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 drip. I don't even know how I slept this weekend. Because like that, something like that would have me up if I hear it. Like it'll wake me up and I will be sitting there listening to it. It's like the seconds of the clock when it makes noise. Oh, baby. So anywho, I'm talking enough. But I wanted to talk to you about what happened the other day. But let me eat this, get this energy back up so I can come back and be like, girl, let me tell you what happened. Because we slowly. We'll figure that out. Yay! I'm a little disappointed. I'm gonna have to go downstairs and turn it off from the thing, because yeah, ain't that bad. Alright. Because I turned the water off directly from up under the sink, and as you can see, it's still dripping. Oh, that's the new one. Made me wonder, do I got the right washer? I'll put this one back on for a hot second. I need to put would you believe me if I told you I turned the water off? I truly hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.